So ngizela ukuzobonga, not ukhala kodwa ukuzobonga. Beginning from our Premier wase-Gauteng, uPremier Panyaza Lesufi. Ngiyabonga Premier wethu for reaching out when my husband called for help. Not only when he was sick, but even prior, when he was still showing ukuthi usase right. Ngiyaleboha hulu Premier yaka. Ngileboha le Deputy Minister of Women, Children and Disability for reaching out when my husband called for help. The Premier was the first one umyeni ubephethwe prostate cancer. Wasebenzisa ichemo yokuqala azange sebenze. Wasebenzisa yes2, it became so aggressive to his body by cutter in the middle. So he gained weight with time, but it was a false weight. Chemo resulted with him generating a lot of water in his body. Esibhedlela bamdrainer, he's been going in and out of hospital to an extent that bamkhipha ke bathi hamba uyofa ekhaya. But fortunately, discover a medical protocol that we had to buy from overseas. With the industry that we are in and the situation that he was in, I was forced to stop working and look after him. We were struggling financially, and I called for help with Premier. Please ningamhluphi after this. Ne? He came running. Wathengela ubaba iset yokuqala ya that medication. I called for help to the Deputy Minister of Women. He bought the second one. That led ukuthi angayiqedi agcina shona. I would also like to thank our Secretary General of the African National Congress, Ubaba Fikile Mbalula, for the love he showed for my husband and the support that he has given to my husband. Nabo mambathabile nabo bonke. Kuma artist ngiyabonga nge-financial contribution ebeniyenza kumyeni wami. Beginning with program director, Ubaba Kagiso, Abo Rapulani Sipemo, Vos Bunene, Mishak Mavuso, the list is endless. Thank you very much for being there for my husband. Ngibonga family yami supported and showed the love and support. I didn't travel this journey alone. I was shown love and support. Ngibonga kakhulu, mudima letse hantle. I have now reached a phase yet closure or to find closure. And I refuse ukuthi face a little phase feeling pity for myself. He has ran his race. And I decide to honor him by focusing on country duty as a patriot. Particularly ukuthi our country has been given the presidency to host the G20 summit, which will be later in November. They are currently busy in our meetings now because they are heading the presidency up until the end of the year. I, as a resident of Gauteng, a civilian of Gauteng, or a resident of Joburg municipality, I have decided to start initiative to mobilize the unemployed residents of Gauteng, the youth of Gauteng, ukuthi siphume ngobuningi bethu and capitalize kule summit. Particularly that the theme yayo is about solidarity, equality, and sustainability. Our President Ramaphosa, is chairing this summit. And I would like to believe ukuthi he wants to leave a mark, now that he's serving his second term, to leave a mark in our country, in the continent, and internationally by leading this summit effectively. And I want to assure him ukuthi thina, as the unemployed youth and residents of Gauteng, we will ensure that the summit is ran effectively to fast-track i-development country, particularly ku-unemployment ne-growth economy. Kumasela aku-government, corrupt government officials, siyeza as the unemployed youth ase-Gauteng. Because, batho ba heso, that is where corruption is. Siyawathuka ama-officials wethu, siyawathuka ama-politicians wethu. Umbutho owakha bogogo bethu, because I believe each one of us unawo ama-genes we-ANC. Noma singakwata njani sijoin amanye ama-party, we all belong to the African National Congress. Ene-formic iba ngikholele bantata rona. And it is our duty sonke ukuthi siyisave from kuntlekiso ekuyo. And we will start with the summit. This 690 million budget kule summit, we will ensure ukuthi i-benefita abantu base-Gauteng. I'm saying Gauteng and Joburg municipality because it is the whole city kula izwenzeka khona. Ukuthi sihlomile imisebenzi. Premier, we intending ukuthi nge-30 zika-April, re tla ko wena le mayor, Ntate Dada Morero, re tshwere di-CV jwalo ka batho ba sa sebetseng ba Gauteng. Le mafielo, le everything in two, le outlina Joburg. Because our president has declared that Joburg needs to be renovated. Ke kopa le qale ka rona. Re hlopheile ho lekane. We also belong. If this is a new form of corruption in this country, let it be. We are G20alizing NSCS, and we will make sure that our president, Ushia Imak, as this is his last term, participate in a sitolum sebenzi. That is the best way I can honor my husband. I thank you.
Yeah, it's true when they say Lala Makawe, dear Sana Tibongo. So today it's Dawn Langini's funeral service and Lona Begakuluma Fatwake Regina Willow Begakuluma Kulumang and she's so strong, I must say, like she's very strong. I will as for me Nanje Shunimi I guys I don't think I'll be able to speak. I think she would like just wondering what now, where do I start, what do I do? But she's very strong. May his soul rest in peace. And I said to 14 go please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.